my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. Brothers and sisters, guess what? We are having a meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London at the Novotel Hotel. Novotel Hotel is going to be our meet and greet spot from here on in. It's the most beautiful hotel, and for those of you that are coming from other countries, you can book your room there at the hotel and be on the spot. It's going to be on fire for that week leading up. We also have the Sabali group. My darling Martin, he can book your flights for you, he can book your hotels for you on a discount. He is my brother. I love him, and he has taken care of Fumi Nation now for the past 2 years. And what can I tell you, darlings? You are in nothing but in good hands. It's going to be fabulous. We have vendors, fashion, style. There's going to be food, there's going to be drinks, there's music, there's dancing. We've got a guest list that you are going to love. You're going to love, you're going to love, you're going to love it. It's going to be fantastic. I am so excited to meet all of you. The tickets are down below, and for the first time ever, exclusive, we're going to have my brand there, and I'm bursting with joy. I am bursting with joy. I know this is going to be the best ever Fumi Nation meet and greet that we have ever had. And you deserve it all. For the love and support, child, please, everything and anything for you. So my darlings, what am I wearing? I'm wearing just a Marks & Spencer knit top, and then I'm wearing my jeans, of which I finally got into, and I am living and loving. Perimenopausal, 56, and I realizing now that the weights are the secret. The weights are the secret, and I am feeling fabulous with myself. Ponytail today, living and loving, and I pull my hair back with Mighty Moisture Healthy Hair Studio.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
Mighty Moisture, the absolute best. I have never ever seen anything like this ever, and I just scrape it back. That's it. It is the absolute best. Do you see? There you go. Just look. I absolutely love it. So my darlings, China has ripped off the veneer of lies and deceit, and we are seeing, and I can see clearly now. The rain has gone. We can now see clearly on beautiful luxury goods such as bags, such as shoes, such as clothes.
Your made in Italy Gucci 80% come from Chinese factory. They just add the logo in Europe to make you pay the price of 10 times. Close your eyes. If your hammer says made in China, does it feel cheaper? No, that's no quality issue. It's luxury brand washing. Fun fact, the hand stitching your product, 42% are Chinese artisans. We don't do cheap, we do underrated luxury. Why pay 2,000 Europe for Parisian air? Same leather, same craft, just without the European fairy tale facts. Be a luxury rebel. You can shop on Chinese platforms such as Taobao, 1688, Tianmao, Jingdong. You can even go directly to Guangzhou, Yiwu, Quanzhou, Wenzhou to buy. Don't know how to buy, how to pay, or arrange delivery? Just PM me. Go Next to provide free shopping guidance and shipping services for you.
I cannot tell you how much I am enjoying all of this back and forth discourse on TikTok regarding luxury goods and where they're actually made. I've been screaming this forever. Even if I was a billionaire, do not believe that I would spend the money on luxury goods. And I'll tell you why. I've known this about China and how they produce a majority of the luxury goods for years. I worked for a major fashion women's retailer. I worked at their headquarters for 22 years. Most all of our products were made overseas in China. I had lots of dealings with different vendors, and this is the way business is done. China is cheap labor. If you think your luxury goods are any different, they're just not. You have been brainwashed. This is why I really have to hold my tongue sometimes when I see people come on and bash the Yellow App girlies that are, putting their links. Like myself, like I purchase from the Yellow App quite often. And the reason I purchase is because I know from years of experience, I know that the handbag quality, that the quality of the leather, that the quality is the same. Now, are there some bad ones? Yes, absolutely. Do you have to be discerning and do your homework and do your research and purchase from reputable sellers? Yes. But don't ever come for the Yellow App girlies, because we know, and we've been knowing this secret for a very long time. There is no need, there is no sense in spending and soaking thousands of dollars. And I see some of these young girls that are taking entire savings, or they're going through Afterpay and doing these huge payments on bags that cost thousands of dollars that are no better quality than the ones you can get direct from China. Don't be fooled by these luxury corporations. If you want to spend thousands of dollars on something, go put it into yourself, put it into your body, put it into a trip. Take a cruise, go somewhere, go to Italy. Do the things that really are worth the money, because I can tell you right now, those designer bags are not it, girls. They're not it.
Well, my darlings, it seems that is not all they are removing the facade of. They are coming for home goods, furniture. Everything is made in China. Bypass the middleman and go straight to China. I have decided that I'm going to go to China. Sometime this year, I'm going to go for real, and I'm going to bring all of you with me. I want you to sit back and just look at Crate and Barrel. I said, no, it couldn't be. It really could not be. China. Yeah.
Hello guys, who are the suppliers behind Ikea Round 2? You know, 80% of the wooden furniture are produced by Fulham Wood Industry, Longyang Wood Industry, and Songyuan Wood Industry. And the home textiles are sourced from NHG Group in Jiangsu, and the home appliances are sourced by Extra A-Light. And Home Link Technology in Ningbo are the manufacturer for their plastic products. And their glasses and glassware are produced by Deling in Anhui. And Hualian Ceramics are producing the ceramic products in IKEA. And the stainless steel kitchenwares are produced by Guanhua in Shanghai. Alright guys, that's enough for today. If you're interested in other manufacturers behind the big brand, comment and let me know, so I will talk in the next video. I'm Luna, your reliable sourcing partner.
Stop paying crazy prices at CB2, Restoration Hardware, and Crate & Barrel for your luxury furniture. Right now, we're in Foshan City at one of the suppliers of CB2. Everything is custom made exactly how you like. You can customize colors, firmness. You can work with as many swatches as you like. All you have to do is pay a deposit to secure your order. Then they'll work with you to get the best rate and probably ship your items through a shipping container to your destination. This is inspired by the Charles and Ray Eames lounge chair. You can see the siding color is different. The quality is top notch. When you go close, you can see the real leather quality. So the one thing I wanted to say about this is this chair, it ranges around $7,000 to $8,000 US, but Rainbow, can you tell us the price of what this is for wholesale?
This one for real leather, the price is 458.
Okay, wow. So that is really great margin. So when we're looking at this, if you're able to order from Rainbow, you'll definitely be happy. Follow me for more tips as I take you along as I do business in China.
Apart from the high street, Zara, Michael Kors and the like, China.
10% of the people importing from China don't know this. Save this video if you're sourcing from China.
All of your favorite shoes from Zara, JCPenney, and Skechers are made by this one factory called LINKTREE in Guangdong. And most of your favorite fashion pieces from Dior and Chanel are also made in Guangzhou. Besides Guangzhou, there's also Beyond Clothing and Shiwo Household from Hangzhou. This is also a city full of clothing factories.
Alright guys, Guangzhou and Hangzhou, don't mix them up. Now comment and let me know what other products that you need from China, and Liz, contact me if you need sourcing from China.
All of these fabulous luxury homes, and then they bring it to America, and then they explode the prices. Really, they explode the prices times 10, times 15, times 100. But China said, you know what, come out here in these streets. You know, in a way, it's kind of sort of a blessing in disguise. Our darling Trump thought that, you know what, no, we don't need you, and we are going to put tariffs on you. And China said, by all means. China said, by all means, go right ahead and do what you do. And then they said, you know what, upon reflection, while I do that, let me let the customers know what's happening. Let me let them know that, you know what, we are still out here for business. You don't want to do business with us? That's okay. But we'll continue doing business. Darling, sit back and watch.
Out sofa, aircraft display cabinet, solid wood dumbbells, coffee book chair, rotating bookshelf, inflatable chair, suspended coffee table, swan lounge chair, Mahjong bed, Connolly sofa, cartilage sofa, electric cloud chair, Roger sofa, waffle lounge chair. Follow me, take you to see more interesting furniture.
I finally bought my dream garden furniture, and it's actually from China. I'm going to talk you through how to buy this furniture, the pros and the cons of buying direct from a supplier in China, and whether you should do it. So after living here for nearly 2 years, we decided it was finally time to buy some garden furniture after we saved back up. Because how expensive is garden furniture, guys? I actually can't get over it. After looking around for so long, I didn't even like anything. Everything was overpriced, so I actually ended up ordering all this from China. By the way, guys, I have actually vlogged this all for my YouTube, which goes into way more detail and breakdowns and stuff. That video should be up this week, so go subscribe so you don't miss out. Anyway, I placed this order back in April, and it only arrived last weekend, which means that it's taken nearly 15 weeks to get to me. Not gonna lie, I think it was a little bit delayed. So if you're wanting to get this for next summer, order it like early next year. I'm gonna pop on the screen the price that I paid in total for all the bits. Now, as you can see, the shipping fee is basically double, if not a bit more. But again, that's because it's coming all the way from China to the UK. It might even be cheaper going to the US. So I managed to get all this for just over 7,000 USD. I personally don't think that is bad, because I know a brand that sells this basically exact same thing for way more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and would you do it?
That's all I have to say, my darlings. That's all I have to say. I will be coming back with all of the codes. Let me know down in the comment section if you want all of the codes. Very happy. Things have become really lighter, and I want to learn Chinese. Yes. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and I will see you later.